Meaning of John Greenleaf Whittier.
John Greenleaf Whittier.
John Greenleaf Whittier.
John Greenleaf Whittier.
John Greenleaf Whittier. John Greenleaf Whittier was an American poet and abolitionist who lived in the 19th century. He was born in Massachusetts in 1807 and became known for his poetry that dealt with social issues such as slavery, religion, and politics. Some of his notable works include Snowbound, Barbara Frietchie, and Ichabod. Whittier was also involved in the abolitionist movement and worked alongside other prominent activists such as William Lloyd Garrison. His life and work continue to be celebrated as an important part of American literary and social history.